Hey designer, Alex here, welcome to the channel and welcome to this new video series here on the channel, which is all about designer money. Over the next 52 weeks we are going to explore how can we as designers make money. We are going to explore some more obvious ways and some ways you probably didn't think about and probably didn't take into consideration. So every single Friday you can check back here on the channel. There's going to be a new way and a new method for you to make money as a designer. If you don't like this week's method, you can check back next week and make sure to hit that subscribe button not to miss out, and you can also turn on those bell notification icons so that you're going to get notified every Friday when I launch a new video. This is the insert for my course 101 ways to make money as a designer, and you can check it out by going to my membership. A link is going to be down in the description below. You can check out my membership for all of my courses, all of my design products, practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So if you're interested, make sure to check out. A link is going to be in the description below. Now without any further ado, let's check out this week's method. This week's method is digital design products bundle. So from one of the previous videos where we talked about digital designs, which are basically UI kits, UX kits, logo templates, mockup templates and stuff like that, you can put all of your products into a bundle, which basically means that it's a package of all of your products, and you can then heavily discount that bundle, which is going to attract potential buyers because it's giving them more value for less amount of money. You don't have to do this all of the time. For example, there is a seasonality to this, maybe New Year, maybe Black Friday, maybe Valentine's Day, depending of the product in question. But if you decide to do this, make sure to do this wisely, because if you are going to do this, then you're going to basically train your audience to wait for these discounts, and then nobody is going to buy your separate products. Or you can simply create a bundle of all of your products and then increase the price. So for example, if 5 of your products you're selling for $38 each, then you can create a bundle for $150, for example, or $120 or something like that, and then you can put all of your products into that bundle, and you can then show that bundle to your audience and say, look, in this bundle you have all of these products. It is a bit expensive, but it's still better value for you than to purchase all of these products separately. Also, there are different websites out there like Design Cuts, for example, springs immediately to mind, My Design Deals and websites like those. And once again, I will leave the link down in the description below to everything I'm speaking about in this video, so you can check them out for yourself and see if something of that interests you. And basically how they work is two ways. One way is to bundle your existing bundle and put it on their website. So for example, we have wireframe bundle on our WebDonut website, and let's say that I put this on My Design Deals. They are going to discount it heavily and they are going to promote it to their huge audience, but in turn they are going to get the cut obviously from those sales. Now that cut can depend, it can vary from 30% for you to 70% for you and 30% for them and vice versa and stuff like that. But basically it depends and it varies from website to website, so you will have to check. It always depends on the amount of element you have in your bundle, in your product. How difficult are they to create, because logo templates are much more simple to create than UI UX kits, for example. Especially WordPress themes are going to take months to create, so it does vary from all of those different factors. And the other method with these websites is your bundle gets bundled with other bundles. I hope that makes sense. But basically you are not the only one who is selling products inside of that bundle. So let's say that my wireframe templates are inside of there. For example, some mockup templates from some other creator are inside of there. So, some WordPress themes from other creators are inside of there, and so on and so forth. And then they are going to reach this huge bundle with thousands and thousands of different elements, sometimes tens of thousands of elements, and they're going to discount it heavily. What happens there? You are reaching a wide audience interested in many different things inside of that bundle. So you're going to have many sales of that particular bundle, but creators are getting paid less because there are so many different creators inside. So creators are getting paid by the amount of elements inside of their product. For example, if the bundle from logo creator has 100 elements, but my wireframe bundle has 2000 elements, I'm going to get the bigger portion of the money because my bundle has more elements than the bundle of that particular creator. Also, this happens again. Logo bundles are going to get less money because they take less amount of time to create, while these wireframes, and especially for example WordPress themes, Shopify themes and stuff like that, are going to be paid more because they take more time to create in the first place than these logo creation bundles. I really hope that that makes sense, but once you get inside of this world, you're going to understand it much better. So basically, tip here is create digital products, put them in a bundle as soon as you have a big amount of those products, and then you can put that bundle on your website, which I do really recommend, but in some cases from time to time, and seasonality here and there. And also make sure to reach out to all of these other websites who are going to put them in a dedicated bundle, like I explained, or in a shared bundle with all of these other creators, so you're going to be paid less amount of money per sale, but sometimes you're going to earn even more money that way because you are going to attract a much bigger audience with these huge bundles than with what separate bundle, for example, for these wireframe templates. This is just one of the avenues I really encourage you guys to check out, because this series is all about that, making passive income, making as many different revenue streams as possible as designer, and this is just really one of those revenues. You don't have to do that all of the time, and I would really recommend that you don't do it all of the time, because your audience is going to see you as somebody who is just discounting their products, and basically that's going to deteriorate the sales of your separate products. Basically, you are going to do this from time to time, few times a year, and sometimes you're going to strike gold, because I think our record was $10,000, I think, in 1 week, something like that, because our bundle was inside of this gigantic bundle with 10 different creators, and it had something like 15,000 sales, something like that. I don't remember. I think it was in 2017 or something like that. And basically those types of deals don't happen all of the time, but once they do, they can really bring a lot of the revenue for you as a creator, because you're collaborating with all of these other creators. You can share tips and tricks between each other, and you can really get some value out of this, not just in terms of revenue, but in terms of exposure, because all of these buyers are going to understand you, are going to be exposed to your products and your creative style. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you found some value in it. If you did, make sure to press that like button. I upload new videos here on the channel every single week. So if you like this one, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to check back next Friday when I upload a new video here to the Designer Money playlist. If you don't like this one, check back next week and see if that one is a good fit for you. And also don't forget to check out my membership. Link is going to be down in the description below if you want to get all of my courses, all of my design products, all of my practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship, and much, much more. So thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.